your kitchen will be fully stocked and you'll be ready to bake like a pro with Nutrichef's 10-piece bakeware set. The carbon steel bakeware features stylish gray silicone coating, red silicone handles, and a stackable wide tray design. The set is ideal for baked goods, treats, hearty meat dishes, casseroles, pasta bakes, and so much more. It comes with one small cookie sheet, one big cookie sheet, a 12-cup muffin pan, a 24-cup mini muffin pan, 2 round pans, a pizza pan, 1 square pan, 1 loaf pan, and 1 large baking pan. The pans are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. They are suitable for ovens, refrigerators, and freezers, and they are long-lasting, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. The durable carbon steel metal is BPA-free and shielded with non-stick coating that eliminates the need for butter, oil, or cooking spray. Everything you need for preparing a delicious dinner for your family or whipping up a treat for that special occasion is all here with Nutrichef's 10-piece bakeware set.
Introducing Elbee Home's latest creation, the 8-in-1 Baking Brick Set. Designed for professional and beginner bakers alike, the exclusively patented Baking Brick Set makes even the most ambitious ideas achievable. All 8 pieces of the set fold neatly into one brick, saving you valuable space to think big in a small kitchen. The Baking Brick Set includes a large roasting pan, 1 8-inch square cake tin, 2 sets of muffin pans, 2 sets of 8-inch round cake tins, and 2 different sized oven trays, helping you bring any of your kitchen dreams to life. The Baking Brick Set is made from the highest quality material and is 100% dishwasher safe, making for easy cleanup and long-lasting baking fun. Whether you're treating yourself or another baking enthusiast, the Baking Brick Set is the only kitchen companion you'll ever need.
I love to doodle, I love to draw, but most of all, I love to cook. And you'd be surprised how little you need to create something delicious in your kitchen.
When you're baking and cooking more at home, you need pans and baking sheets that will hold up day after day, like our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware. The sturdy, cold-rolled steel and durable premium nonstick coating promote even baking. The oversized handles make them easy to grab and move around the kitchen, even while wearing oven mitts. The nonstick coating also keeps food from sticking, so your baked goods slide right off. Cakes, muffins, and cookies stay intact and not on the pan. And the best part is, all of our Perfect Results pans are dishwasher safe, so they're easy to clean. Durable, dependable, and easy to clean, our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware line is your go-to for any recipe, any day, from dinner to dessert.